Welcome to Future Division, guys. This is Jaman presenting today Appium, Android, and iOS mobile automation test part 13. Last video, I show you guys how to utilize TestNG framework in our framework. So now, today I'll be showing you convert to our framework to the real framework. I mean we don't have framework yet. We have a project, so now we have to create a framework. So today I will convert to a framework. So guys, please take a look closely. So go to our code. This is code we have, which is the script base over here, and we have action sheet, which is our test. That's it. That's what we are doing. So now this is not a framework. So we have to create a framework. I mean, we have to follow the convention. So for that, we're going to create a controller where we want to keep our all the controller things. So now our SRC main Java, right click, new package. Package name you can give com dot this name dot controller. Okay, controller, finish. So inside the controller, we're going to create a one class name. I mean, this is the only one controller. I mean, you can create as many controller you need for a testing purpose. I'm going to create a class name, the home page. Home page, finish. And this home page, we're going to extend our skip base. Skip base. Okay, and done. Now we have to call our data. We have to use the constructor because we don't want to get null point exception. Okay, so that's why we have to use the constructor. So what we're gonna say? We're gonna say is public. Then you say home page call, which is you have to call your iOS driver. So if you go home page and you say inside iOS driver, then you call, and you go. So now, guys, inside this, I'm gonna call this dot. Before that, I say this dot should be here. I'm not seeing iOS driver. Why? iOS driver, driver inside. Okay, should driver. Why not showing driver? That's wrong. Let's see what we can do. Before that, we have to create a method over here. What is a public void? What you can say? It is this alert. What is the test case? We have name over here. Application sheet. Clickable. Okay. So what you gonna say? Application sheet related expert. Okay. Application sheet. So application sheet clickable. I mean, application sheet clickable is good. So now it did, and you say this. Okay. So now if you say dot driver, it's still not coming. I don't know why. So we'll see. Sometime happen. So we're gonna copy this one, and we don't need here anymore. So we go to the home page, and inside the test, and you provide this. So we put that. So and we have to call the iOS driver. So if you say iOS driver and driver, I know guys what's going on, because this driver is showing wrong over here, because we have here is a method level. Okay, so we have to take out, I mean you have to put the global. You cannot keep like that. So if I go this, what you're gonna do, I'm gonna say well, I see public. We have to put the static, because we have our method static here, static, and this done. So now if you go home page and says over here dot driver, now say driver iOS driver equal DRI driver. All right, so done. And this is the things we have to do over here. So we are telling that we have a constructor and we use our these things. Okay, so now get text, and now go to the application sheet, and now we don't do test case hour. So what we're gonna call our things. So before that, what you have to do, we have to call these test cases. How are we gonna call it? So you have to just use, just call it, what you're gonna say, home page equal new home page. Okay, the P capital letter, home page driver, done. So now if you guys have to import it, okay, this is the part done. And what you have to do now, remember we already call extend skip base. Do we know this? Now we already put the global, we don't need driver. We should not call our driver over and over. Okay, and also we need to driver equal, because we already extended, we already inherited skip base, so we can always do like that. Okay, so now over here we can call home page dot whatever we can the application sheet. Okay, we created. Am I right? So now guys, so now looks how clear our code now, and also framework ready for that. So now we have a test case. You call the test case, call the skip base, and you call the whatever controller class you have, like example like that, and then you call whatever method you created in your controller. Okay, that's it. So we have a home page, which is the controller, and also we have action sheet page without test cases, and which is skip base, like that. So now we are done for today. Now we run the test. Let's see what happened. Before that, we have to open our Excel sheet. Okay, sorry, Appium. We're opening our Appium and save it. So let's see, Appium is opening. When Appium is open, we run our test. So Appium is open, they turn on the start server, is done, boom. So now we will be run our test. Go to the action sheet and run the test. Run as a test engine. Hopefully it's gonna work, guys. Cross your finger. I mean, we just try to make beautiful. This okay. The browser is opening. I mean, iOS driver is opening the simulator. We just to make sure that whatever we're making, before go further, start setting up your framework. So now we have a setup for framework. For further application or test, we can writing as much you can. So we have to from beginning set up our framework properly. We just did started. So basically we create a home page where we create all the controller, which controller package where we create our all the controller classes, and controller classes. You see over here, should be click the action sheet over here, and okay, cancel, will verification, and close the iOS simulator. Waiting for it, guys, to close it. Did I put the after? Yes, I did that. So it's going to close it. Locally run iOS simulator will be a little bit, what happened? Yeah, it's very hyper. Did I see the driver that close? Okay, in my test, quit. I did that driver did quit. This is my previous one. What's going on? Okay. Why didn't driver quit? Let's run again. Just close it. It should be. Oh, I put the driver.close, guys. Should be quit. That's why I didn't close. Okay. So if we say quit, okay, it should be okay. So now run again test. Boom. And iOS server simulator should be open very soon. So guys, follow the video step by step. Don't be rushed. Just follow it. I mean, you will be see out there a lot of video. Just follow one of them. You don't have to follow my one. Better find someone. You just do it. And if you think that I am the good one, just use it. If you have any problem, any question, just ask me in the YouTube comment section. I will try to answer it. But easy way. I mean, if you have experience with Selenium before, it's very easy to test in mobile testing. Very easy to find the element. Very easy to problem is only configuration. So the hardest part we did already. Now you'll see OK cancel button will be clicked and it will be closed. OK cancel button verification and our driver iOS simulator should be quit. Taking few seconds. Why is not quitting? Because I move it. It should be quit. I'm not sure why. So let's see, guys, why is not quitting. I should take a look. So I know why it's not closing, guys, because I did not put any annotation over here. After test, okay, after test. So when I put the after test, it should be one, guys. Sorry, guys, I'm in doing test. So now we do have script and we have home page, while script base. Very simple way. Next time we will be add the controller if we, as for testing person need, and create a new test classes and call the controller. Okay, that's it. That's it. Your test. This is your test will be all the way end. So now run again the test. Let's see is working or not. So I will run it. Before that, yeah, before that close. I mean, it's closed already. Run the test. So if you go, simulator is opening. So today, what we did, we just create one package, which is the controller, which is we create a home page where we will be keeping all the expert and method, and in test class we will be call those method, and also we learn how to avoid the null point exception. We just create a constructor and call our driver. So that's it for today. And this run testing, and you'll be see call will be action sheet. And close driver will be closed. Quit. So there you go, guys, and driver will be quit. Let's see what happened. So the driver quit. So now our test is pass. If you go the result, this was boom. So that's it for today, guys. See you soon for next video, and keep tuning future activation and subscription future revision. And if you have any comment, any problem, any issue, just feel free to ask question in the below YouTube comment section. And if you like my video, just like it. If you don't like it, you can feel free to press the dislike button. Thank you so much, guys, and see you soon.